DCS Card Centre is powering payments at GastroBeats 2025, marking its shift from card issuer to full-stack platform. With embedded finance set to top 255 billion US dollars in Asia Pacific by 2029, we asked Dana Lang from DCS on what this transformation means. So Dana, let's start with your beginnings. How has DCS Card Centre evolved its payment offerings over the years?
DCS has evolved into a global payments enabler, leading innovations that bridge traditional finance and Web3 economies to enable everyday spending. DCS started out as a Singapore homegrown financial institution and as an MAS-regulated credit and charge card licensee under the Banking Act. So at the beginning, it was just Diners Club that we issued cards for, but gradually we included other global payments card networks, including Visa, MasterCard, and UPI. So imagine that our card issuing model has both a consumers, direct to consumers, and a business to business to consumers model too. And this has expanded not just issuing cards for the traditional finance economy, but also for the Web3 economy as well. And on top of that, DCS is not just a card issuer, but we also do merchant acquiring. And as you just mentioned earlier on, yes, we are the official payment solution provider in GastroBeats just recently.
And how is it currently? How has Singapore's card payment landscape changed in terms of technology and customer preferences?
Yeah, card payments have gone through significant evolution. We have gone from debit to credit to mobile to digital, from operating within the traditional finance ecosystem to dual rail payments across both TradFi and Web3 economies. Consumers are actually today enjoying instant gratification and expect payments to be agnostic, borderless, and without boundaries. And whether it is in convenience, speed, cost, effectiveness, to support their mobile and digital lifestyle. But card payments is not just evolving in the consumer context, in the B2B context as well. I'm not sure whether you heard of the virtual cards, but virtual cards are also on the rise. These are not just transactional tools. They are used to simplify accounting and reporting by consolidating spends across teams, vendors, and merchants, and are also multi-currency wallets for businesses to reduce FX costs to spend in local currency.
Aside from this virtual card, Dana, are there specific innovations that you see might shape the future of card payments?
A more seamless and frictionless handshake and utility blurring the lines of TradFi and Web3 economies that is driven by increasing institutional involvement. That is what I believe is going to be the future of payments. And think of the challenges and the number of hops the Web3 communities today need to face in order to access digital assets, to spend in the real world, the Web2 world. And card innovation like DCS Card has seamlessly bridged that instant conversion of stable coins to fiat, such that it becomes easy and viable to spend what you own in everyday life. And so whether it is daily essentials like bill payments, online subscriptions, groceries, that is all possible now. And imagine as well that for Web3 communities who really want to have cash on hand from what they own, from the stable coins that they own, they can also do that through a physical card. They can withdraw through the ATM. But at the end of everything, at the bottom layer, the foundation is that everything needs to be regulatory first. The digital, the payments landscape is going to evolve, but that's going to be a strong institutional involvement to enable a responsible digital lifestyle.
Thank you so much for your time today, Dana. We are looking forward to seeing what's next from DCS.
Thank you.
Once again, that was Dana Lang, Chief Marketing Officer at DCS. For more news, visit asianbankingandfinance.net.